Welcome to the Mastercam in a minute course. In that lecture, we're going to talk about cycling process in Mastercam. In the Mastercam, we can get cycling process G71 and G70. It's easy to get that kind of toolpath in Mastercam. After that, when you turn to your CNC, you can easily change your parameters. But at that point, I also would like to emphasize that you need to be careful about that's operations. When I am click on my parameters, I can use different tools for roughing and finishing. For example, when I am turned to roughing process, I use the tool 1. When I am turned to finish process, I can use 21 as a tools. But if I am changing my radius, this is the 0.8 millimeter radius. If I am click here and change my radius, my cycling toolpath process gonna turn to normal finishing process because we cannot change our radius.